I stopped by one of my tire shops yesterday and I was only able to pick up the rear tractor tubes. So that's a truckload of rear tractor tubes. I still have to go back and pick up all of his other tubes. And this is still tubes that I haven't even begun to sort. I've lost track how many truckloads are in here. The ones out there, there's some that I've already sorted that are just ruined. They're not good for anything. And here is a pile of just lawnmower tubes. Maybe one other over at the side there's a little bigger, but basically that's just lawnmower sized tubes. All this still has to be sorted and